It's not worth it. It's not worth it.
Oh, now you say it. Look it up.
No, wait. No. Wait. No, I gotta see the bone. I gotta see the guts. Let me see it. Oh, no, you gotta look at the other side,
I
too.
like the bone.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Wait a few minutes.
Hey, swallow. Oh, shoot, Mikka. Explode. Like you're gonna burst or something.
Mikka, breathe through your nose, man. Breathe through your nose, man. Breathe through your nose. Hell no.
Dude, drink the drink. Drink the drink. What are you waiting for?
What is that, ranch?
Yeah.
This dude in the background.
Should be an advertisement for a Thomas Wing.
Straight up. Oh my god, what if constipation, man? I'm good.
I'm gonna hang on to the bathroom now. You want your money? It'll make you feel better. Alright.
Michelle, you're hella messed up. Oh, Mikka. She's crying. It's okay, it's just a chicken wing.
It's a chicken wing. Only chicken. Yeah.
The end.
You have to play the You know more than me. 25 cents more. 25 cents more.
You want 50 cents? Then I'll give you 50 cents.
Do it again. Order another one. $20 more wings. No. Do it, Michelle.